In this video, I am going to talk about the recently announced OpenAI Codex for Windows, which is the first Windows native agent sandbox released by OpenAI. So that's really a good news for Windows developer, and you can install its desktop app as well as CLI via PowerShell. So I'm going to talk about both these methods. And as we all know, OpenAI Codex is AI software engineering agent that lets you create or generate code based on simple plain English prompt. Or maybe I can cover that aspect separately, but in this video I am going to stick to the installation process. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so in order to install OpenAI Codex, you can simply go to your Windows store and here look for Codex. Now here you can see the first one is actually Codex by OpenAI, and so far it only have 8 rating, but seems like the ratings are really nice, 4.6. So all here you need to do is you need to click on get, and now you will see the magic will begin. Meanwhile it install, we can also quickly see here the way you can work in this native app. You can also see the approach followed by Codex, which I think is needed in case of code. If we talk about one of the biggest competitor of Codex, then for sure that is Claude Code. And I would say right now both in terms of performance are neck to neck. So let's click here on open. Now here I can see my projects that I have created. So I can, select anyone and can start working on it. Or I can even skip, and then here I can start building a brand new project. So in this way guys, here you can see how easy it is to install Codex in your system. Now let me also talk about the CLI version. So if you are interested in CLI, then all here you need to do is you need to press Windows button and look for PowerShell. Now here in PowerShell, run it as administrator. Now here you need to type the following command, which is asking npm to install OpenAI Codex globally. Now there is a catch. npm will only work when you have Node installed in your system, which is of course free to download. And if you are a developer, you know what I am talking about. If you are new to this, then Node is needed, as this is the runtime that let JavaScript run outside browser. Not only that, it also install your Node package manager, which is npm. Alright, so here you can see we just saw how we can install Codex for Windows app as well as CLI installation. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, where our objective is to improve your skills by letting you know various type of AI.